Hello, everyone. I am going to speak about something really important, which is going to be very useful to each and every one of you as an entrepreneur, particularly in the apparel and lifestyle industry. If you are one of those who is looking to start your business, और बहुत बार हमने ये सारी बातें की होगी, but time and again there comes a question from someone who is looking to start your business and who is already an established player, but yet struggling in many areas of their business. So we just share this thing to everyone. Now, what I'm going to do today is I'm going to list out at least 7 to 8 very important aspects of your business which you need to consider when either you are starting your business, you are already into business, struggling in your business. This could give you complete solutions for your business. The very first thing that all of you need to do is to research about your product, about your target audience, about the people with whom you are going to work, about what is the customer going to buy, what is it that you are going to market, आपके competitors क्या कर रहे हैं. Research has to be top class, guys. If you are struggling in this area of your business and you don't know how to do business or how to do your research when you start your business, there is a particular method that we teach. Okay, how do you study competitors, what can be, this will actually give you your roadmap in terms of your merchandise line, in terms of the product, in terms of the quality, in terms of the price points, because your price points are actually not going to be decided by you. Your price points are going to be decided by your competitors. अगर एक particular product आपके competitors एक पर्टिकुलर प्राइस बैंड में बेच रहे हैं, आपको भी आपका प्लेसमेंट या पोजीशनिंग उसी जगह पर करना पड़ेगा. दैट्स व्हाई योर रिसर्च इज गोइंग टू बी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड बिफोर से यू आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट योर वेबसाइट विल गो लाइव बाय से 15th ऑफ वन ऑफ द मंथ्स. सो जब आप वहां पर पोस्टिंग करने वाले हैं उसके पहले आपका सारा रिसर्च हो जाना चाहिए. एट द टाइम ऑफ डिजाइनिंग ओनली यू शुड नो दीज आर द एमआरपी बैंड्स, बिकॉज आई कैन नॉट गो बियॉन्ड दिस, सो दैट जो भी वेरिएशन करना है, जो भी चेंजेस करने हैं, आप फर्स्ट टाइम में ही कर सकते हैं बिफोर इवन listing your product or after you get into the cycle of production, right? The second, and research should be across all the categories, all the, not only about the product, all the particular operations of your business, your competitors in sales, in marketing, what is it that leaders are doing. The best thing we always advise is follow the leaders, because you get to learn so much from them. The second important point that I would like to share here in being successful in the apparel and lifestyle industry is to have goals. If you don't set your business goals, if you are not having any sort of goals, you are not going to move anywhere. Having goals has a number of advantages than not having goals. It increases, the very first thing is it keeps you completely focused and you are on track. Otherwise, you tend to lose track and you can, shiny object तो in this internet age इतना easily किसी को भी distraction हो जाता है कि पूछिए मत. So once you have a goal, you have to stick to it, and your goals will actually, if you are hungry enough to achieve all the goals, you will not be distracted at all. They help you keep focus. Goals होने से आप एक measure भी कर सकते हैं कुछ area of your business. In fact, all the areas of your businesses. Say you want to reach 5 crores. If you don't reach 5 crores in the next 3 years, you reach 3 crores. You at least know that was your goal. This is where you have reached. But if you don't keep 5 crores, it is all going to be random working for you, right? So you have to have business goals in every area of your business. That's very important. Third is you need to innovate and market on a regular basis. Innovation and marketing are going to be the next thing if you want to survive for the next 10 years. If you're one of those who don't innovate, customer सबसे पहले आके पूछता है नया क्या है. He would also always want to see, अगर वेबसाइट पे जा रहा है, what is it different, बाकी लोगों के पास नहीं है और ये ब्रांड क्या हमें अलग दे रहे हैं. सो उसमें आपका रिसर्च चाहिए, उस एरिया में आपका फोकस होना चाहिए. एंड लेट मी टेल यू, इफ यू आर नॉट टेलिंग एवरीवन, if you are not telling everyone this is my innovation, and you are not marketing about, you are not talking about it, you are going to be a loser. Make sure that you innovate on a regular basis and you market your product and services. You talk about your brand on a regular basis, put in some money in advertisements, and then promote your products. This will be a very big boost for your business, let me tell you, because a lot of people are not doing it, especially in the apparel and lifestyle industry. बहुत खर्चा हो जाएगा is the mindset. No, it is a must in today's scenario. The moment you say I am going to put in a lot of effort in building my product line एट दैट टाइम कमिट योर सेल्फ कि इस चीज को मार्केट करने के लिए भी हम उतना ही एफर्ट लगाने वाले हैं. So make sure you are innovating and marketing on a regular basis. The next thing that is clearly lacking among all the designers who have had a background of fashion designing and then come into an entrepreneurship is not knowing your finances properly. I was just reading somewhere most of the creative people use their one side of the brain and the other side is used for finances. So it is quite natural that you don't have those skill sets. But let me tell you, knowing your finances is equally important to making a good product or marketing your or having your business goals. So if you don't know your finances, it is very, very important. Where are you standing currently? How are you going to pay your next bills? What is the sales? कहाँ से इनवर्ड आना है, कहाँ आउटवर्ड जाना है, ये सारी चीजें बेसिक चीजें हैं. एटलीस्ट इतना तो आपको पता होना चाहिए कितने सीजन में कितना पैसा लगता है, कब लगेगा, कितना आने वाला है. 66 numbers in all that we teach in our online school. So all these numbers you have to know. राइट. इफ अगर ऑनलाइन बिजनेस है, प्रमोशंस कर रहे हैं, एड्स में खर्चा कर रहे हैं, कॉस्ट पर एक्विजिशन, कॉस्ट पर क्लिक, so many things. How many people visited your website? What is the conversion ratio? N number of things in terms of your finances and business numbers, both the things. You have to know each and every number. आपको मालूम होना चाहिए आपके बिजनेस का, आपको पता होना चाहिए एटलीस्ट. सो यू हैव टू स्पेंड इक्वल अमाउंट ऑफ टाइम when you are working on your business. Don't just go product because उसके अलावा भी बहुत सारी चीजें हैं when you are an entrepreneur. The next thing that I think everyone is missing out is studying your competitors. There is no mechanism in which you can take feedback from the market. There is no mechanism in which you can actually understand or you can actually do some sort of a research about your competition, about people who are selling similar products and services to the same set of people that you are selling. Yeah, that's competition. Now your role is to make sure that that your customer buys from you and not from your competitors. So until and unless you know your competition, you study them, you cannot have a strategy for it. Once you have a strategy in place, you need to take action. So it's very important to study competition from time to time. And let me tell you, if you're following some market leaders who may be competitors to you, may not be competitors for you, but सीखने बहुत मिलेगा आपको with what people are doing. I'm not asking you to focus on their product, make something very similar और उसके जैसा ही copy करके करना है. No, but you need to study. अगर कोई अच्छा काम कर रहा है, उसको देखिए आप कि कैसे काम हो रहा है. What are they doing? How are they projecting themselves? What is their positioning? What's their differentiation? What's the price point? What is the merchandise line? कितना बड़ा sample set बना रहे हैं, कहाँ बेच रहे हैं, कैसे बेच रहे हैं. So much to learn from your competition as well. For that, you will need research. The next thing, do not work without a business plan. Have a business plan, ladies and gentlemen. If you don't know how to make a business plan, learn it from someone where you can make a business plan. Because I'm not saying you will be assuming numbers definitely, because अगले साल की plan करनी है, आज से बनाना है. That means we are going to assume some numbers. There is no doubt about it. But that assumption will actually give you a roadmap for your business. And फिर उस हिसाब से अगर आप काम करते हैं, more or less आप आपके goals achieve करोगे. At least the probability of your success increases if you are working with a plan. Now, again, I would say plan is not going to be important, but the way you are planning things for yourself, the way you are increasing the number of activities in your business, these things are very, very important when we are talking of work with a plan. Plan is never important. Planning of certain things, planning of merchandise line, planning of marketing, planning of social media, ये सारा जो preparation आपसे करवाएगा for your entire year, this business plan method will actually make you prepare for your business. And the more prepared you are, there is more clarity. When there is more clarity, there is more confidence. If there is more confidence, you are more positive. And when you are more positive, definitely you are going to get fantastic results for your business. That is why planning is important. Thinking about your business, anticipating so many things before it actually happens is going to be the key for your business. Right? And the last and the most important thing is to give yourself 1000 days for your business. अगर शुरुआत करते हैं, everybody is in so much hurry. Everybody is in so much hurry कि भाई आज शुरू किया है, कल से कस्टमर्स आने चाहिए. आज शुरू किया है, मुझे अभी एकदम स्टैंड आउट हो जाना है, एकदम सक्सेस आ जाना चाहिए. No, you have to be extremely patient. You have to learn to build your business brick by brick. You have to learn to project yourself as a brand. If you are working as a generalist, if you are doing everything, like making everything, there is no specialization, there is no expertise, there is no branding, no marketing, no goal, no plan. If you have working with that process, if you have a mindset of working like a general physician or a generalist category uh, brand owner, you have to come out of it. Your role and responsibility as an entrepreneur is to make sure that you are working like a brand. Now a lot of thought process need to go into all the things that I've spoken to you, and keep on working, keep on projecting yourself, keep on working in the direction that you want to reach. Let me tell you, you become unstoppable when you are considering all these things and on all these things that we have spoken about, and that will take your business to a completely different level, ladies and gentlemen. If you need help in any of the areas that we have spoken, get in touch with us. We will be very happy to help you under our program Share the Knowledge, Spread the Light, and in our online school Horizon Unlimited. This is Vishal Trivedi here, and I am a government business professional. I have been consulting, coaching, and mentoring apparel and lifestyle business entrepreneurs since more than a decade now. I've authored a book by the name Carve Your Success. I'm the CEO. I'm the chief mentor also in my online school, Horizon Unlimited, under which we are looking to educate more than 5,000 fashion business entrepreneurs in the next 3 years time frame. Looking forward to sharing knowledge, spreading light. Thank you.